July 20th, Doraemon drone show, again in Hong Kong. Do you enjoy the Doraemon drone show? The world's first ever Doraemon-themed drone show took place in Hong Kong's Victoria Harbour. Today, the organizer has announced that a second drone show will be held on Saturday, July 20th, in the airspace above Avenue of Stars. The exact location and timing for the event will be revealed later. It has been revealed that the performance on the 20th will feature 1,000 drones, intricately choreographed to create classic Doraemon scenes and formations, incorporating entirely new content not seen in the previous showcase. Don't miss it.